Hello, in this video we're going to look at solving for national income and the components that make up national income. So national income is the factor incomes earned in the production of goods and services by the nation's citizens. The simplest way to get national income is if you have GNP, gross national product, and subtract from it depreciation. Another way, and sometimes you'll have test questions calculating national income this way, is by summing up a number of components. And these components of national income are compensation to employees, proprietor's income, rental income, corporate profits, net interest income, indirect taxes, less subsidies, plus net business current transfer payments, plus surplus of government enterprises. The last two components here in this last line, some textbooks won't talk about them or include them. So here is all the components that make up national income. If we're going to sum all these up, we get national income. And just briefly, some definitions. Compensation of employees is just wages and contributions to social insurance and pension programs. Proprietor's income is income of unincorporated businesses. Rental income is income received by property owners. It also includes imputed rent from owner-occupied housing. So if you own a house, you are receiving an imputed rent. That house is providing you a productive service. So you are receiving, like I said, an imputed rental income, and that is included in this category. Corporate profit is just the income of corporations. Net interest is interest paid by businesses. Indirect taxes include things like sales and excise taxes, custom duties, license fees, for example. And subsidies are just negative taxes. Net business transfer payments is just income received by others from businesses. And then we have finally surplus of government enterprises. This is the income of government enterprises. And like I said, some textbooks don't talk about these last two, in part because these tend to make up the smallest components of national income. So let's look at some real world data here. This is data for the United States, the second quarter 2020, and the numbers here are in billions of dollars. So overall national income was about $16 trillion. Compensation of employees makes up the largest component, almost $11 trillion. Proprietor's income here, $1.5 trillion. Rental income, about $800 billion. Corporate profits, about $1.8 trillion, and so on. So if we were to sum up all these components above, we would get national income. All right, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful.